While most traders watch price, smart traders watch momentum. And there's one indicator that shows you exactly when the two start to disagree. That's the power of the MACD. In this lesson, we'll walk you through the fundamentals of the MACD and show you why it's more than just a crossover tool. By the end, you'll know how to read it and apply it to your own chart analysis. The MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a technical indicator used to measure momentum and trend strength in the market. It helps traders identify when momentum may be increasing, weakening, or beginning to shift direction. The MACD does not predict the future. Instead, it helps traders organize price behavior and better understand what may be happening behind the movement of a stock or asset. Understanding the MACD begins with understanding its individual components. Each part of the MACD serves a different purpose and provides traders with different information about momentum and trend strength. Knowledge check. Review each item carefully and see if you can correctly match each MACD component with its definition. You have 10 seconds to record your answer. If you need more time, just pause the video. Let's check your answers. A matches D. The MACD line represents the difference between two exponential moving averages. This is the core calculation that drives everything you see on the indicator. B matches E. The signal line is the smoothed average of the MACD line. Think of it as the trigger. When the MACD crosses above or below the signal line, traders pay attention. And C matches F. The MACD histogram measures the gap between the MACD line and the signal line. The wider that gap, the stronger the momentum. The narrower it gets, the more that momentum is fading. Now you know. If you got all three correct, great job. You already understand the key components of the MACD. Now let's break them down one by one and see how they work together in real trading environments. Now that you understand the basic components of the MACD, let's see how they appear together on a real chart. Each part of the indicator provides different information about momentum, trend strength, and potential shifts in market direction. When combined, they help traders better understand what may be happening beneath price action. Let's start with the MACD line. It measures the difference between two moving averages, a faster 12-period EMA and a slower 26-period EMA. When the distance between those averages grows, momentum may be strengthening. When that distance shrinks, momentum may be weakening. When the MACD line rises, the faster average is pulling away from the slower one. That signals bullish momentum is building. When it falls, downward momentum may be taking over. Traders use these shifts to understand the strength and direction of price movement. The signal line is a slower, smoother version of the MACD line. It's calculated using a 9-period EMA of the MACD itself. Because it reacts more slowly, it filters out noise, and it gives traders confirmation before they act. Knowledge check. In the last lesson, we learned about the MACD crossovers. If the MACD line crosses above the signal line, what does that usually signal? Is it A, no change, B, increased volatility, C, a sell opportunity, or D, a buy opportunity? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is D, a buy opportunity. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is often viewed as a bullish crossover. This can signal that upward momentum may be starting to strengthen. Traders use these crossovers to help identify potential entry opportunities, especially when combined with confirmation from price action and trend direction. The histogram measures the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. When the histogram is above the zero line, it usually reflects bullish momentum. When it falls below the zero line, it can signal bearish momentum. But here's what most beginners miss. Watch the size of those bars. When the bars are growing larger, momentum is strengthening. When they start shrinking, that's your early warning. Momentum may be losing its grip before price even reacts. Now let's check your understanding. The MACD histogram bars are expanding upward. This suggests the current trend is gaining strength. Is this statement true or false? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is true. When the MACD histogram bars expand upward, it usually suggests that bullish momentum is becoming stronger. The larger the bars become, the more strength the current trend may be showing. At this point, traders often see two possibilities. If they are already inside a trade, expanding bars may encourage them to stay with the trend. If they are not in a trade yet, they may begin looking for continuation setups as momentum continues to build. Successful traders do not rely on just one part of the MACD. They analyze the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram together to better understand momentum, trend strength, and potential reversals in the market. Now let's practice using the MACD in a real trading example. All right, let's put it all together. This is your knowledge check. Look carefully at the MACD chart around late November to early December. Using the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram together, what is the best interpretation of the market situation? Is it A, B, C, or D? Take your time. Pause the video if you need to. There's no rush. Thinking it through is part of the process. The correct answer is A. A bearish crossover has occurred. Momentum is weakening, and caution is needed. The MACD line has started crossing below the signal line, while the histogram begins shrinking toward the zero line. This often suggests that bullish momentum is fading, and traders should begin watching for possible weakness or a potential reversal. Now that you can read the MACD, there's one more rule that separates disciplined traders from reactive ones. Before acting on any signal, make sure the MACD line is moving clearly upward or downward with momentum. A real crossover between the MACD line and the signal line must take place, not a small fluctuation, not market noise. A clear, confirmed move. And always check the histogram. Growing bars tell you momentum is strengthening. Trend strength is building. Shrinking bars are your warning. Momentum may be slowing down before price shows it. Above the zero line, bullish strength. Below the zero line, bearish strength. Simple, powerful, and easy to miss if you're not paying attention. Knowledge check. Before acting on a MACD signal, traders should confirm several important conditions. Review each checklist item carefully and identify the 3 that support a stronger and more reliable MACD setup. Use the next 10 seconds to choose the 3 correct MACD signals. Let's check your answers. The correct choices are B, C, and E. B, the histogram supporting the trend. C, a meaningful crossover between the MACD line and the signal line. And E, clear momentum direction from the MACD line itself. When all 3 of those signals align, that's confirmation. That's what disciplined traders wait for. Not one signal, not 2. All 3 working together, filtering out the weak setups and cutting through market noise. The more confirmation you detect, the more confidence you can have in the setup. That's not hesitation. That's trading discipline. Now you know. Congratulations. You've now completed day 19, lesson 1. You now understand how traders use the MACD line, signal line, and histogram together to identify momentum shifts and confirm trading signals. Remember, the more you practice applying these concepts, the more effective and confident you'll become in real market conditions. Understanding ideas is one thing. Applying them consistently is what builds skill. This is why simulators matter. They allow you to practice, make mistakes, and refine your process without risking real capital. In the next lesson, we'll take a deeper look at the MACD histogram and explore how traders use it to measure momentum strength and recognize possible changes in market direction.
Ready to master trading psychology? Visit mmu.media and grab your free trading course. See how we teach trading the right way, step by step, with structure and clarity. Practice with purpose. Perform with precision. I'm Michelle, and we'll see you in the next lesson.